Hi everyone, my name is Lorraine Young. I'm the owner of the Wellness Space, which is based here at Restoration Yard within the very beautiful Dalkeith Country Park. The idea behind it is to give people a bit of peace of mind, strength through movement, a little bit of wellness for themselves. We're all so busy in life that we never have time for ourselves, so I wanted to create a space that was nice and calm. You could have energy if you want it, but you can also be quite peaceful here. I feel very lucky to be here and to be given the opportunity to start my own studio. I have been here for 4 years teaching mat Pilates twice a week. We have 24 classes per week. That includes the Pilates Reformer. We have yoga, mat Pilates, meditation with some sound bowls, and we also have Pilates Fusion. I had this vision of owning this place and having a much bigger studio, and I really wanted to make it holistic, part of the community, part of this lovely area that we're in, and giving people somewhere they can go, for peace of mind, a little bit of strength through movement, and just really thinking about people's mental health, wellness, and I wanted to bring that all together within the wellness space. Based in Dalkeith, we have a restaurant, we have a nice cafe, we have a nice shop, we've got beautiful walks, a beautiful countryside. Once you actually drive into the park, there's a kind of calmness to it. It's just an absolutely gorgeous place to be, and there's a little bit of, when you come into it, you just feel the tension leaving your body. If you've never tried Reformer before, that's absolutely fine, because all the teachers are able to give options for everybody. So if you're a beginner to Reformer, that's absolutely fine. We will show you how to get on the Reformer. We will give you nice, easy options to get you started so you feel really nice and secure and happy with what you're doing. Reformer is absolutely brilliant for rehabilitation as well. So if you've got a bit of a shoulder injury or a knee problem or a hip problem, it's very much supported. Pilates is very good for flexibility, for strength, and it's mostly core work. So you've got a little bit of everything in there. And what I've tried to do is really create a place that, you can have the Reformer, but if you want to do a Pilates class, so you might do a wee bit of everything, which is really what everybody should be doing. I'd be delighted to welcome you here and look forward to seeing you.